Do you want to create stunning images like this in just seconds? With Midjourney, creating beautiful, professional images has never been easier or more fun. This course is perfect for content creators, designers, marketers, artists, and anyone who wants to harness the creative power of AI. Dan Britton, the lead instructor for this course, is an AI art expert who has helped thousands of students master cutting-edge creative tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Sora, and more. In this course, you'll quickly learn how to navigate Midjourney's interface, write better prompts to create exactly the images you envision, explore different styles from realistic to abstract, learn how to face swap and create AI images of yourself, how to export images for any purpose. We'll even show you how to turn these images into AI video with another tool called Runway as a bonus. If you're still not sure this is the right course for you, continue watching the free preview lesson so you can get a sense of what this course is all about and how we teach it. When you enroll, you get lifetime access to any updates to the course, and I'm sure there's going to be some because these tools are constantly changing, so you'll want a course that will be updated in the future. By the end of this quick course, you'll have a powerful skill that will supercharge your projects, designs, and any content you're creating. So join us now and let's get started creating with Midjourney.